OVC reached out to me recently and asked if I wanted to review their active noise cancelling earphones. So at first I thought there's no way that the noise cancelling is going to be good for £37. I mean, I know that cheap earbuds can sometimes be really good. I mean, the OnePlus Bullets are really good. I still use them. But I thought noise cancelling is usually quite a lot more. It's not going to be as good. So yeah, I was looking forward to try it, and these are my thoughts. So firstly, the presentation's great. They look really nice. The noise cancelling box looks pretty nice. It's got a nice button on it. The braided cable looks pretty great too, but you can hear it more when it's rubbing against your clothing, which I'd rather it just isn't braided for that reason. The volume controls look and work great for the most part, and they're comfortable to fit in my ears. So I don't have any issues at all really with the design other than the braided cable issue. The case that comes with it too is nice and hard and durable, and you can tell that the earphones won't be damaged inside it. So yeah, all that's fine, but the reason that you're watching this video is to know about the noise cancelling, and it's actually not that bad. I mean, it's not amazing, it's not half as good as expensive headphones where it blocks out pretty much all the noise outside. You can still hear the background sound a bit, but it definitely does do something. So if you're not noticing any difference, then make sure that the earbuds is the correct size for you. There's two different ones in the case, and make sure that they're properly pushed into your ears, because at first I thought it actually wasn't working because I didn't have the right earbuds on, so make sure that the right one's in. When you do properly have them set up, they essentially cut out any of the lows of what the background sound is. So you'll still be able to hear some of the higher pitched sounds from outside, but pretty much all of the lows are cut out. And when you put on music, you pretty much can't hear the highs after that. I mean, obviously it depends on how loud it is outside, but with like traffic outside this room and with a extractor fan up there that's pretty much always on when I don't need to be on, and I have no way of switching it off, yeah, that gets totally drained out when you put on music and you have the noise cancelling on. But it is essentially the same experience as wearing headphones, so that's the kind of feel of it. That's at least with my Bose SoundLink 2 headphones. But to say that these are £37 and you're getting a case and the design's pretty good and all of that, I do think that the noise cancelling is good for the kind of price that it is when you think of the other features alongside it. But not all is great though. There are some things that I don't really like about these earphones. So for one, the bass option can't be on while the noise cancelling is on. I mean, you can have the bass switch to on, but it will basically just switch it off. And that means that bassy songs become very underwhelming. The sound of them just isn't that good, and they don't have that kind of punch when the noise cancelling is on. And obviously some people are going to be bothered by that more than others. If you usually use your earphones to just listen to podcasts or listen to kind of more high-pitched singers, then obviously it's not going to be an issue for you because the highs don't sound as good as like my Bose headphones, but they do sound pretty good for the price. Although for people that love bass and are going to be using the noise cancelling, which by the way, if you're not going to be using the noise cancelling, go with other earphones. But if you are going to be using that and you love bass, then you probably don't want to go with this one because you're just not going to be hearing that much bass with it. And something else that I don't like about it, and I actually think is quite dangerous actually, is the fact that with Mac laptops, when you press the volume controls, it actually just keeps going until it gets to the maximum pretty much. Or if you press the down button, it goes to make it totally muted. So I don't know why it does that. It doesn't do that on iOS or Android. On both of those platforms it works totally fine. But yeah, I think it's pretty dangerous. If you press the up button on the volume and you bring the volume right to the max, it could damage your ears and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty bad of it. I think they should have tested for that. But other than that, the volume controls work pretty great. But yeah, overall, while these earphones aren't going to be as good as more expensive earphones, they are pretty great for the price. And you are getting a case with it, as I said, which is great to protect your earphones. And you're getting a nice build and sound quality that's good for non-bassy songs. And finally, you do get noise cancelling that does cut out some of the background sound, especially the low sounds. So yeah, if you listen to mainly high-pitched songs or kind of in the middle songs, not really bassy ones, then yeah, I'd definitely recommend them. But don't get this if you like bass, because you're going to be very disappointed. But if you do want to buy these, you can get them from the link in the description down below. And be sure to subscribe to see more tech videos in the future. So thank you all for watching, hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.